Halal street food carts are always one of my favorites to run into. They inspired me to try and make this at home for dinner or even my meal prep. Here's my attempt at a homemade lamb over rice. First, we're going to get started by seasoning the lamb. We got a pound of ground lamb, and to that we're going to add 45 grams each of diced onion, plain breadcrumbs, an egg, 25 grams of tomato paste, and 20 grams of parsley or cilantro. I've gone ahead and laid out the spices I used with some salt and pepper, but you can always mix and match to your liking. Now we're going to get messy and combine all the ingredients into essentially a lamb loaf. Plop it in a pan and shape it how you'd think a meatloaf would look. We're going to take that lamb loaf and shove it in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Next, we're going to get our rice going. Start with about 20 grams of unsalted butter on medium heat. Add in 270 grams of Basmati rice along with some ground cumin, some turmeric, and some salt and pepper. Stir in all those ingredients until the rice is toasted and cool it off with about 325 grams of chicken broth. Bring that to a boil and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our last, but certainly our most important addition to this dish is the white sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and the juice of a lemon. Next goes in a pinch of parsley or cilantro. Then we add equal parts Greek yogurt and mayonnaise. Feel free to mess around with the ratio until it's to your liking. I like a little bit more mayo to yogurt, but that's just me. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt, and to get a better consistency for the sauce, add in some cool tap water and stir it until it's looser. Let that sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before using. With all of our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble. Slice the lamb into whatever chunks you're feeling that day, throw it over some rice, grab some veggies, and drizzle on that sauce. I was too excited, but I forgot to add the hot sauce too. Calorie-wise, this one's not too bad. This recipe makes about 5 servings at under 600 calories and 36 grams of protein per meal. I'm sure if you try this one yourself, it'll become a regular in your rotation. Enjoy!